Hello and welcome to another MCO market update on Bitcoin. Yeah, I want to give you a quick intraday update. I mean, nothing major happened, but I certainly don't see the strength this weekend that would be helpful for getting a little bit more confidence that we get one more high here. There's certainly not that strength, right? So the quick reminder. I mean, what did I communicate? I communicated this week that the market in one more high, which I labeled wave 5 of circle C of 3, should get to 95,444 plus, maybe even 96,448. Now, that target was communicated earlier this week. It was reached now. I just want to highlight that because it means that the price has really done what it needs to do. Okay, we have a 5-wave move up also structurally now. Okay, we haven't only reached targets like Fibonacci wise, but also we have reached targets from a structural point of view. It's a 5-wave move up I can identify here. And that 5-wave move up means that this C wave could be complete. But zooming into the nanostructure tells me still that this is only a 3-wave move up, at least best I can tell. So one more high would still be likely, best I can tell, yeah? Now, there are different options here. I still have that Fibonacci zone on the chart because, I don't want to take it off in case a larger wave 4 still happens. I mean, that can happen, but I would find that less likely. I would say that might be an alternative 4. Why only alternative? Because, if we test that support area again, or if the wave 4 is still unfolding, it would be quite a massive wave 4 compared to the wave 2. So I would label that only as the alternative. Therefore, I would say once we get a break below the last swing low that formed here on Friday at around 92,900, then this increases the probabilities. It's not a full confirmation. We're far away from certainty anyway. But it is full it is a decent confirmation. Yeah, not full confirmation. It's still decent confirmation. It increases probabilities, let's rather say it like that the larger degree 4th wave that a lot of people are waiting for is already unfolding, okay, that this started, and we don't get that one more high on the nano level. I just keep the door open for one more high because the pullback is still, in my view, in 3 waves. Even though it's getting deep for a 4, but honestly, we're dealing with a diagonal pattern here anyway to the upside. If this gets one more high, it's a diagonal. And therefore, I'm tracking like the red line here, like the last swing low. If we get a break below that, if it's a decisive break, then it opens the door to a move down in the larger degree 4th wave. And I would estimate, that it would hold around the 84 to 86K area, but we can refine that further once we have an established top. At the moment, we don't even know if we have an established top. Pullback rather corrective, weakness on the weekend, but nothing, not really strong weakness. There's just a bit of a pullback, 0.5% based on Tradingview, and some altcoins are still pushing higher. But after that week, which was very strong across the sector, the charts just need a little bit of calming down. So I think the next key level against which we can still focus on higher is this last swing low. But please note that the higher we go, the more completed the structure gets. I mean, now we're on the 15-minute chart and zoomed in, right? So for me, that's already everything's fulfilled. Anything higher from here is still possible, but I wouldn't necessarily rely on it. But as we zoom in further and as more and more of that structure gets completed, probabilities that the larger degree wave 4 starts are increasing. That being said, I'm still tracking the white scenario as primary, the red scenario, which is the more bearish one, where this here would be a larger degree B wave top. And feel free to check out the previous video where I covered the daily chart if you're interested in the context. That's not preferred, okay? So yeah, it's just a quick update. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.